What is up, PowerStroke Nation? I hope you can see me. Today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. So, we are on our way to Black Diamond Auto Salon, and they do window tinting, vehicle wraps, and all sorts of things like that. So we're on our way right now to get the windows tinted on the truck. I just talked to the guys, and they have an opening for me tonight, and I'm going to see if I'm allowed to record in there so I can show you guys the window tint. Maybe they got some cool stuff in there that I can share with you guys. But I'm finally going to get the windows tinted on this truck, and I'm going to do black vinyl between the driver window and the rear window because I think it looks good with that one big window look. And I got a pretty good idea of how I want this truck to look. And I'm also going to talk to them about wrapping the truck. Now, it's not going to be anything crazy like if you watch Daily Driven Exotics or anything like that. It's just going to be a basic white. I want to get rid of the two-tone, but I don't want to make it look bad by doing white vinyl over the two-tone and then having the mismatch. I just want to do one clean white truck, so there's no old faded paint. And then I'm gonna build on top of that. So like I said, I hope you guys can see me. We're on our way. I'll talk to you guys when we get there. What is up, guys? It is day 2 of the window tint video. I didn't really want to record much more last night because it was really getting dark. I took off at about 6 p.m. As you guys saw, it was getting dark in the video already. I did the cinematic shots of driving down the road, getting there. So it wouldn't have been very good video content if just no visual and black screen with me talking, and I didn't want to end the video that way. So we're on day 2, and we're going to do something fun with the truck. But before we get started with that, let's show off this tint. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. We got 5% on the rear, a legal 35% on the front, and no tint on the windshield or the rear window yet. The windshield is cracked, so there was no point in doing anything there. And the rear window, I just kind of wanted to see where I was at with the tint. Darkness is here. I've never done 5% on any of my vehicles, but I really am digging it, and I think that's what's going to be on that rear window. So, as for the rest of the video today, we got something pretty exciting that we're going to be doing. So, the guys over at Black Diamond hooked it up with some black vinyl. Awesome guys over there. If you guys want to get your windows tinted in the local Salem area, definitely go to Black Diamond. Chris is an awesome guy, super fun to talk to, and just amazing to watch. He's very talented at what he does, and thank you so much for this window tint. So without further ado, let's get started on blacking out between these windows. I think it's going to look phenomenal. We'll see. I have never done any vinyl wrap of any kind, but he gave me a squeegee with felt on it so I won't scratch the vinyl, and we'll see if that's enough for me not to screw this up terribly. All right, so what I just did is I cleaned off this surface here. I used a microfiber cloth with dish soap because I wanted the wax and everything that's on there to come off. I wanted to stick right to the clear coat so that way it makes a good connection. Now you can use alcohol for that, but I didn't have any and I didn't want to go to the store. I'm in the middle of doing a video, you guys. I got to do this. All right, so now that we got the surface dry, we're going to take that vinyl, we're going to place it up top where we want it because it's cut pretty straight from the factory. We're going to run it down and slowly smooth it out as we go. And I'm very excited to see what this looks like, guys. This one big window look is really going to hopefully make the cab look a little bigger because I went with an extended cab. Should have got a crew cab, I know, you guys. But I think it'll really help not draw attention to this one single little window. I think it'll really pop, and instead of having 2 windows, just one big one. I'm pretty excited. Let's see how this looks. All right, you guys, we're gonna look at it from over here because I am not a vinyl wrapper. Holy crap. All right, you guys ready to see how bad this looks? Okay, first off, I can't cut a straight line to save my life. How the heck do you get it in there? And we're not even gonna talk about that side. But after looking at it on the truck, you know what? It doesn't look good at all. It looks awful. It looks cheesy. You can tell that it's put on afterwards. It doesn't fit the truck very well. I don't like how it looks at all. Part of it, I think, is because of this is all gray. It's faded over time, so you got the gloss black right next to this faded black, and it doesn't look very good. But I don't think that's the look that I'm gonna go for. It looked good in theory. I'll show you guys the picture. I kind of did a super rough rendering on my laptop on Photoshop of what I wanted the truck to look like, and this just isn't it. I mean, wow, that just does not look good at all. Maybe I'll consider doing something else. I don't know yet. We'll figure that out later. But I'm glad I did it. Just kind of see what it looks like, and I can decide that it is absolutely not for me. And luckily, this is vinyl, not paint. All I have to do is peel it off like a sticker. So, with that, we'll move on. Cool. Let's start pulling this off, and I got some cool stuff that I want to share with you guys. Alright, guys, with that major fail out of the way, the vinyl's off the truck. It looks so much better. Let's get some wins under our belt today. We have a roll of black vinyl now for something else on the truck. I'm not sure what. I'll figure it out. It won't look as bad, hopefully, as that did. That looked good in theory, and I'll show you guys that picture that I made in another video. I might tag it in at the end of this video. We'll see. So, I don't know if you guys noticed during this whole video, I have been wearing PowerStroke official merch, which means the website is live, you guys. There are decals and t-shirts. The awesome guys over at Vinyl Wiz, I'll link their Instagram down below, hooked it up with some decals because they thought, you know, I needed to be able to offer that to you guys, and they made it happen. So thank you guys so much. A link to my website for the merch and decals will be linked down below as well. Go get your stuff. Again, this is a test run. If we run out, I'm sorry. There will be more though. Please don't lose hope. There will be more shirts and hopefully more variety of stuff later down the road. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. My amazing fail. I hope that was somewhat entertaining for you guys who have more experience vinyl wrapping. Complete noob here. I have no idea what I'm doing. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go grab some merch, smash that like button down below, like the video, share it, go follow me on Instagram. That'll also be in the description, and I will see you guys next time.